Are we picking up on a pattern? Everybody, you're picking up on a pattern. It's time to go to work, all right? It's 2 months till Pikes Peak, so we're working and we're laying that base. Actually, I've already got a base, that aerobic base, but it's the mountain base, the legs. Actually, what we talked about yesterday, the power, the leg power, the change in ligaments and muscles and tendons that are fired more so in the uphill. Okay, like it's just all about that uphill climbing, and then about 3 weeks from now, we will transition to some crazy speed. Okay, so that's what I'm up to. In case you wonder what is Seth up to, walking out here, pouring his cup of coffee every morning, and opening up another box of shoes. It's like we're just working. We're not filming Western States, obviously. It started literally, I think, like an hour ago, or maybe it's about to start out in California. Couldn't make it this year. Because we're buying a house and we're going to see houses this weekend and next week. It's like we're just all in on family first. So anyway, that's what I'm up. And oh man, last but not least, I'll never, I had a shirt on yesterday. It just said grateful, because I'll never forget the fact that I could not afford new running shoes 2.5 years ago. And the shoes keep showing up, including these, including some more boxes out in the living room I'm about to show you right now. But today, here we go. Terra Kiger 7 going out of the stable for the first time. Terra Kiger 7, okay? As always, thank you for your patience. That's what I'm up to. That's what I'm doing, everybody. Let's go. Actually, come here. Oh yeah, by the way, here's the tripod for this morning's shoot here. Good old Mr. Watermelon. Okay, let's go. So we're gonna open those up on the mountain today. All right, we gotta do some serious testing, Nike. Okay, where am I going? All right, let's grab these. It's snowing. It's snowing. I don't know if I packed a headlamp, in the sense that I don't think I would need it once you get going up here. But the fog, the cloud cover is so thick, I can see about 50 feet. I guess that's okay. I guess 50 feet's pretty good. What a time to be alive, everyone. Okay, let me just set this over here. 1 sec. Actually, I need to grab all the shoes. The testing. Sense Ride 4, Brooks, Caldera 5. And yes, we'll see what's in this guy. Unbelievable. Wow, I'm just checking out the zippers. So this is their shield version for the Nike Trail. And it's like no such thing as bad weather, just bad clothing or outerwear. All right. Oh, look at that. Okay, there's a built-in glove. Are you kidding me? All right, that's amazing. All right, okay, so cool. Okay, let's pack up, get ready, and rock and roll here. By the way, I will not be taking out the Peg Trail 3s.
I'm committed to the Terra Kiger 7 today. Maybe a little bit later, I'll just lace them up to see how the fit is, but I'm committed to the Terra Kiger 7 for this morning.
It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean lands. It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest crowd, but their hearts break loud. Far from ever feeling lost with me, I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I'll guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Anywhere you go I'll see. You're never lost among the crowd with me. Anywhere you go I'll see. You're never lost among the crowd with me. It's the furthest sun, the gun done for love. It's a pulse and shove. It's the sharpest cry that heroes will lie, where the desperate lie.
Oh, turnaround point. I think it's called Cupid Peak or Love Peak, something to do with love. I can't remember actually. I think it's a 13er. Here it is on your screen. I gotta learn these 13ers better. Oh man, getting to work in Terra Kiger 7s, doing the business up here. Okay. Ooh, the clouds might clear. Yes, I did bring the copter. We'll see. I'm gonna head back. We'll see if we send it up.
You're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Anywhere you go I'll see. Even in the autumn breeze, where the trees are shaking off their leaves. You're never lost among the crowd with me.
That's right. Good, babe. Maybe the one? You know what? We're thinking Sunday. Sunday we're having s'more cookies.
Tomorrow.
Boy.
Butter my bread.
Yeah.
Butter my bread,
Butter my bread, butter my
Okay,
bread.
Joseph, we butter yours? You think Michael's up to something?
Yeah.
More Nike? Oh boy. I see a shoebox.
I see a shoebox. UPS, you're the best.
Papa. Oh, maybe I'm loose.
Oh, okay, drop it. Just drop it. Save the baby. Michael, help Mama with the box.
Got it.
Oh my goodness. Mama got it.
I got it.
Good job, Mama.
I got it.
There it is. Ayo.
Curious.
Okay.
A mirror.
A mirror?
Running shoe warehouse.
Running Shoe Warehouse. Amer Sports Winter and Outdoor, Ogden, Utah. Nice.
You know what that
That's
actually
probably a Solomon.
I can't get it.
You filming? What do you got? You doing working the camera? You don't say nothing. You must know something. Just keeps rolling. Keeps on rolling along. Easy, Papa. Oh. Woo. Marker's picked up. The day is done. Okay, here we go. Comment of the day going out to Luke S. I think it was Sherwin, perhaps. Luke, thank you for informing me on SPO2 from yesterday's vlog. I had no idea what the watch was telling me yesterday. Luke, this is amazing. So, and we're taking you on your word, Luke. So Luke says SPO2 is the percentage of hemoglobin in your blood that has oxygen bonded to it. Normal below 10,000 feet is 96 to 99%, but as the elevation increases, beyond that, there isn't enough air pressure to ensure adequate absorption into the body as that percentage tends to go down. Also goes down if you have COPD, not sure exactly what that is actually, or other lung issues. Hence why people need supplemental oxygen to boost those numbers. Thank you, Luke. I mean, I'm learning here. I know I'm the one communicating in front of the camera, but at the end of the day, I'm learning from all of you. Thank you, Luke. You get the comment of the day, and we've transitioned. We're all in. We're tightening those screws, everybody. Tightening those screws. That's a saying that we used to have at the University of Colorado. Basically, at the end of a hard workout or at the end of a hard race, we would just share, sometimes yell, tighten the screws. Tighten the, you know, when you're like, just when you get a good screw, like, you know, you're putting a piece of furniture together or something together, and you just tighten that screw a little bit. You just, yeah. It gets me going just even saying those words. Bottom line, we're tightening the screws just a little bit as we transition into the mountains. If you're a road runner, if you're a track runner, if you're a cross-country runner, if you're an ultra runner on the track, just, you know, keep coming back. Eventually, I will go back to the roads, but right now, we're all in. We are all in on this next adventure to Pikes Peak. So thanks for all the, anyway, just coming back so often for these mountain vlogs. All right, question of the day. What point are you at in your training block? And maybe you don't train with training blocks, that's fine. But if you do, are you at the beginning? Are you in the middle? Are you at the end? Are you resting? So you're not actually, well, that's still part of the training block, resting. But maybe your peak race is now done. So what part of this training block are you in? And how's it going for you right now? Like if you're in cross country in high school, at least if I was coaching, I would have my athletes be doing, not peak mileage, but slowly ramping up that summer mileage to build that aerobic base. Anyway, that's the question of the day. Thanks for tuning in. We'll toss it to, we'll toss it to something. I'm tired again. All these, I'm getting there. I'm falling asleep. Like it, not only is it 9:30 now it's transitioning to like 9:10, 9:05. 9 p.m. It's a beautiful thing. It's like, so my body is slowly transitioning to this summer training, and the sun is coming up by, 5:15, 5:30, right? It's a beautiful thing. All right, something right there. DGR strong. Keep turning that doorknob. All right, seek beauty, work hard, and love each other. See you tomorrow.